Hi guys, Toni here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will review and we will create a look using this Beauty Glazed color board palette. I actually saw this na before in Lazada but I haven't bought it kasi I'm waiting for someone pa to actually review it before me buying it kasi nga I don't know how it will perform. Pero I saw May Layug's, Ray Hermars, and Kenny Manalet's review about this and super positive naman yung review nila. So I got this guys in Lazada for 519 pesos. If you guys want to watch my Lazada haul, ililive ko yung link in the description box down below or sa my card sa taas. Test din natin siya on my own perspective or in my own point of view kung paano siya magpe-perform. Test natin if okay din siya for a beginner like us. So, the palette looks like this. Yung front part niya, it says Beauty Glazed Color Board. And then, yung side niya is nakalagay lang is color board. And then, at the back part niya, ang nakalagay lang here is Beauty Glazed Color Board, yung eyeshadow ingredients, yung glitter ingredients, and kung saan siya made, and China. Parang don't test it out in animals, so it's cruelty-free. And it's good for 24 months after opening. Sa side niya pala guys, ito, yung opening niya or yung pag-open sa kanya is magnet. And then this is how the palette looks like. Yeah. Actually, pag in-open mo siya, meron siyang plastic. Pero since na-open ko naman na siya before, tinanggal ko na siya. Color board palette, it boasts a 4 different color stories. Like for this one, yung first part niya is color green. Second color story niya is more of warm tones, mga orange, ganyan. Meron ding blues, purples. With every palette, guys, meron siyang matte, ano ba? Meron siyang matte, meron din siyang shimmer, and meron din siyang glitter. I-try natin swatch per color story. This is how the green color story looks like kapag na-swatch na siya on my arm. Sorry, mali pala ako ng pagka-swatch. Yan. Every color story, meron siyang 15 colors. One, super ganda. And super ganda din this color. And this one, yung shimmer. Okay guys, hindi ko na pala isa-swatch kasi tatagal lang this video and tatagal din akong mag-film. But, ilalapit ko na lang siya sa inyo or at least kukuha tayo ng 3 colors with the remaining palette which is yung matte, yung glitter, and then yung shimmer. Orange, you will get this. This one, and then itong orange. How they looks like. Next naman guys, it's here sa blues. So, kukunin natin this one, isang shimmer, and then itong blue. Yan, ganyan yung samples niya on the blue, purple na palette. We'll get this one, and then isang shimmer, and then I'm going here. Yan. That's how the samples of the purple palette looks like. So far, okay naman yung color payoff niya. Meaning, kung ano yung color niya sa pan, yun din naman yung nagka-transfer into our swatches. Pero sa arm. Pero let's see if same color yung magka-transfer into our eyeshadow. So, let's start. So, para mas mag-pop up pa yung color on our eyelids, maglalagay tayo nitong Beauty Glazed concealer. Then, gagamitin lang natin itong pink brushes from Maange. So, if you want guys to watch my review about these brushes, ililive ko yung link in the description box down below or sa my card sa taas. Yan, I think we're done blending it on our eyelid, and then we will now start putting on yung colors from the color board palette. So first is we will create a parang rainbow look. From this side, we will do a parang warm tones like yung red, browns, and stuff like that. And then on this side will be the blues, the purples, and yung green. Kunin ko lang tong blending brush, M07. Kunin ko lang this shade. Ay, medyo madami yung kickback niya, guys. I mean, pag dinip nyo yung eye brush nyo, madami siyang matatanggal na eyeshadow. So, be careful with that. And then, let's tap off the excess. And then, lalagay ko lang siya here. May outer V. Itatap ko na lang muna siya. And then, ganyan. Para lang lagay muna natin yung colors. And then, later natin siya i-blend. This is super duper simple kasi i-lay over lang natin all of the colors on our eyelid, and then tsaka natin siya i-blend later. Then next na ilalagay natin, guys, na color is yung orange naman. So I will use the same brush pero lilinisin ko siya on this color. And then ilalagay naman natin siya here sa middle part. And then, siguro, kukuha lang ako ng isang blending brush. And then, kukunin natin tong lighter orange. And then, i-blend natin yung gitna using that color. Since this will be a lighter color, we have to change our brush. And then, kukunin ko lang tong yellow. Then, lalagay natin siya all over here up to the inner corner lang. Everything is super blendable, super easy niyang ilagay on our eyes, and super dali din niyang i-blend. And super okay din naman the color payoff, the pigmentation. So, super dali na, especially for a beginner like me. Since mukhang hindi sila blended well together, we'll just go back here and then kukunin natin yung lightest orange, this one, and then i-blend lang natin sila together. Kukuha tayo ng mas malinis na brush, and then we will get this color, and then i-blend lang natin yung edges. Yan, I feel like yung orange pa lang, most of the colors from the palette yung nagamit natin. This one we will transfer now with blues, pinks, and purple. Next is kukuha lang tayo ng another malinis na brush. This is the eye crease brush, M08. I think ito lang yung pinakamahirap in using this palette. Pero siguro kasi pinapakita ko sa inyo, guys. But with using it kasi you have to, ganyan, you have to move it. You have to parang lift this one para makapunta ka with this one. So, do you get me? So, I know you get me. Natin tong darkest na purple. Then natin siya here sa edge. You can do more tapping motion para lang malagay natin yung color, and then later na natin siya talagang i-blend. Again, lininisin ko lang this brush. Then, kukuha naman tayo on the blue side. Kumuna this one. So far, actually, pare-parehas naman sila ng formulations, and I feel like super dali nang i-blend, super dali nang ipatong with each other, and super dali niyang i-blend. Yun talaga yun. And maganda din yung color payoff and yung pigmentation niya talaga. Kukuha lang tayo ng mas malinis na brush kasi we will go now into the lighter colors. Kukuha lang tayo guys ng medyo malinis na brush and then kukunin natin this color. Then we have to blend it with the color na nilagay natin. And kukunin lang natin to, guys. Natin siya here. Just have to make sure na clean yung brush mo. And then, the lightest color na green is this one. Kukunin ko lang this brush, yung M06, and then kukuha tayo nitong light na color. Then, i-blend lang natin yung edges. If you feel like okay na yung pagkaka-blend mo, then you can stop na by then. I think tali off na natin all of the colors. I will just go back here sa my color yellow. Like that. Siya ng konting shimmer, kukunin ko this color. Here. No. Yung golden muta. Silver pala. Here then. Like that. And then, gusto ko sanang i-try sa lower lash line parang lahat ng shimmers. So, ganun na lang yung gagawin natin. So, kung ano yung color sa taas niya, same na, what do you call it? Same na glitter yung ilalagay natin underneath. This one. Here. So, kunin ko lang this one. Wala namang yellow na shimmer. Siguro kukunin ko na lang again this one. Then, siya na lang yung ilalagay ko here. Then, kukunin ko lang this color. Since palay tayo guys, kukunin ko this light blue. Since ito na lang kukunin ko guys. Yung light na glitter na green. And siya guys, what do you guys think? I will just finish this look guys and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I just put on eyeliner, mascara, and yung ating false eyelashes. And then, naglagay din ako ng glitter from Focallure. Then, niline ko lang siya on top of the eyeshadow. This is my final verdict about this Beauty Glazed color board palette. Overall, I actually do love it. I did enjoy using this palette. First, it's super duper daling i-blend. It's super blendable. Second, madali siyang i-overlap with other color. Third, I think also, super ganda ng pigmentation. Ang ganda din ng color payoff. Kung ano yung color niya sa pan, close naman siya with the color with your eyeshadow, as you guys can see. And super okay din with the glitters. Super ganda ng glitters, as you guys can tell. Kulang na lang ilagay ko siya all over my eyes. Everything actually in this palette is super okay. This is a good buy if you're planning to do a makeup looks, to be more adventurous when it comes to shadow looks. This is a good buy kasi meron na siyang 4 different color story. You can actually mix and match, which is super okay. You can actually create a monochromatic look with this one. Your imagination is the limit with this. Siguro kulang na lang niya is yung neutral colors like yung browns, the blacks. But overall, this is actually a good palette. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you do have any suggestions, comments, or you want me to try new things, or you want me to be challenged, please do write it down in the comment section down below para mabasa ko siya, apply ko siya in my future videos. Also guys, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!